started to get this white haze on it, and I started freaking out. I'm like, oh my gosh. This is very clean. It just has a white haze on it. How to clean a granite sink with Crisco. I'm using Crisco this time to see how it works. If you see my sink, it's actually clean. This is very clean. It just has a white haze on it. Black granite will do that. It will get a white haze. Probably this sink got this haze, I want to say 3 weeks or so after Rob put it in. It started to get this white haze on it, and I started freaking out. I'm like, oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? What now? I've used olive oil and other things, but right now I just have Crisco. If you see that Crisco, hunk of Crisco there on this paper towel, and we are gonna rub the Crisco all into this sink. That's the plan here. Just to see how it works. I've used olive oil before. I've used coconut oil before, and I know some people don't have that in their homes. And I know Crisco works with cast iron, so we're going to see how it does on this black granite. I have to do this maybe every 3 weeks. The Crisco works just fine. Any oil substance will work. So there you go. This is just a quick video on what I do with my black granite sink. I'll see you next time. Bye.